Is he abang a co-position on? Na near marketing kete. Now the rate at which NDC. Let's try to get this man. Yeah, this guy. Because the rate NDC first started. One mistakes. Basa no. Dangerous. Dangerous. And Sir Mike, for what offense? For what offense? To what degree of offense? You know, the Emmy Yana say, I know Ivan Belson. I don't know so many now.
From a distance.
No. I mean, he's like a brother.
From a distance.
I know him very well. Very, very well. Yen said the petty. Now me see him because I'm seeing him in that video. Oh, Ivan Belson both power and opposition. But oye wom kra na party no, o ma bra na o munyanya hwe wom.
Okay.
Wo mo ane yina yesuma wo mo. Te said yiwa unia Moro eba beheya.
Yeah.
And the Ivan, I've known him for years. Way back from to Akuma to here. Okay. And in fact, almost I didn't know say he was one of the security guys. Bibi and a man Kasai, and he did worked on what the aname Emame. But he's a very decent guy. I mean, everyone wants. No, Samaik, I know Ivan. Nipa there. Yes. He's like our normal brother. Say, whoa, hey. But minim what happened? Minim what? Into a mama slow kakra in. Exactly. I wish Ivan would talk to me. My friend, no, and was say, "Oh, went to me in casa, or no, went to me in casa." And I am friend.
94.1
secret Jabari. Indeed, but even anka off air, can I present me tears exactly yes.
But no matter what
happened,
no matter what happened,
hey,
you're me,
baby,
a own professional.
Baby, a power, you know, and your own professional. On
so woman, I say right now. If
it is indeed says any power, Samai, if it is indeed this man is a security man, and you see almost a known NDC penny krana wabua part, you know, in many ways. I wish Omo winning my and get the number 0531 455 105. Mr. Mo, what we need anything about this man and the video 0531 455 105. Because I am shocked to see my own brother Ivan Belson leading this barbaric act. You know what I'm saying? I mean, power ben kwana ni power nsabeka. Ubedi sa I am brasabi. Enti papa we dey fan say, we dey man fan say mo che ne kra no okura ni pati. Mo che no okura ni pati. Masi got to this. What has he done? And now say mo dey yam fan say what the mudi kra kwa jiska. It is that how you handle and the army and say pandan kwa bia when this musesia was sorry I was a national security.
I know the national security.
No kra gota.
Ezra.
Toilet no moje.
O ma kwa national security for 5 or 6.
NDC regional youth the hopeful.
Organizer.
No the created and I'm Galamsey site where national security with impunity. Say ya na money say ya munya jumanya enti wo mo ne nam hosa banchire apandan kwa bia sori a was where national security. You know what is na me? Why have we got into this end?
Reverend Unim, areba kwa me hu ha me ne say. Ye wo ha I wa MPP time. Ye wo ha NDC time.
Hey,
ye wo ha MPP time and ye wo sa wo ha NDC time. But I will share the state of national security for and them are year this time round. On professionalism, no yard so no.
I don't yes say yados. Just say I say they've lost control. Obia and they atade we a security soldiers. Now how why would you go walk up atade we
according to the was in the say
and many of them are thieves. Me see bebre a omo ni namu so omo ye na say bebre akromfo.
Sa omo so kuta sa
bebre.
No mo gwagalam say side. Omo tata minus is tata minus wo krom ha. Why na security for ba ha. Me friend say ni mo we. Captain catch me say. Men kan che tie for mutie ye radio you say.
Jabari.
Yes. Say obi a obeba baabi. So a national security no. Any people na nyina ho anafa fon frɛ no. Ana frɛ any national security pani bia no mu bia no. E confirm me. I think we should more
mama sound of this. MCR. I want to pick the sound.
No matter what happened.
Mama sound. Yanko. MCR, give me the sound.
Ezra.
Come on. Relax. 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 Yeah, like that. Look at some
Now, Ghana under NDC, things are falling apart, and the center can no more be holding. A very bizarre and barbaric act, a condemnable one, a real show of power, a brutal assault, and a very cacophonious attack on the integrity of this country. Sir Mike, I am alarmed. Abregu, ya boka, Ghana for ya boka. Ya, hey. What's this? Hey, ya boka o Ghana, ya bregu, nye. Ya boka.
Personal beef.
Hey, Samik, baby,
some of these guys and their attitude will send
Tabako
position.
Ya bregu
Very fast, man.
Ya bregu. Ghana say, Ghana attention. Baby, I am. Yeah, see a pay when. Say a pay when. Hey.
Ubenya DC small guys being so arrogant to the sense. I don't get it.
I listened to a certain young lady on social media expressing a disappointment in the NDC. And I'm saying this is too early. Here, more video we mon frame 0531 455 Mesra one am hot. Yes, it's your trade there, but the man is from Asante Achim. 0531 455 Mama Abuafo.
Abuaji and Sanseba Clinic, my main come from Mr. Wada, Yadia Bia, ya friend Yadia, Quancro, Fabra, Abuaji and Sans, not into us from mom. Abuaji and Sans say, a banner and Nemu Yadia.